Welcome to 1 Minute Travel and Hospitality News. Government to develop 200 ropeway projects worth 1.25 lakh crore rupees in 5 years. Nitin Gadkari. 58% travel companies in India plan to up their ESG investment with tech as enabler. Amadeus. Helicopter joyrides new attraction for tourists in J&K's Gulmarg amid long wait for snowfall. Tourism conclave at Mumbai Festival aims to bolster India-Japan ties. Up government takes measures as large crowd of devotees throng Ram Mandir in Ayodhya. National Tourism Day 2024. Date, history, theme and significance of the day. Ram Mandir opening. Total expenditure by tourists in up to surpass 4 trillion rupees this year. Grow your travel business with TravServer. Thanks for watching 1 Minute Travel and Hospitality News. Use your full potential to develop and grow your travel business with TravServer CRM.